Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another Diwali recipe for you all, and it's a barfi recipe. Today we're making cashew nut pumpkin spice barfi, and this one does not have any sugar syrup involved. So to my milk powder, I'm going to add in cardamom or ground elaichi. The main ingredient, pumpkin spice. Feel free to add as much or as little as you want. You want to go on the heavier side since you want to taste the pumpkin spice. But if you guys are not a huge fan of it, just put as much as you would like. Now I'm going to go in with roasted ground cashew nuts. And this is unsalted. And we're going to mix that into the flour. Now I said we're not using any sugar syrup to bring this together. Now I'm going to add in ghee. You want to use really rich, decadent ghee for this, and Anchor is the best ghee to use. And 3 tablespoons of Nestle cream or media cream. I'm going to be using this pumpkin spice flavoring that you use in coffee. It's a syrup. It does say sugar-free, but when I tasted it, I tasted sweetness, so that's why I thought it would be perfect to bring this together. I'm using it straight out of the bottle. It does not need to be heated, and we're just going to add it in a little at a time and keep mixing until this starts to form a soft dough. So you see how it's looking here? A nice soft dough that can form a small or form a soft ball. Now we'll transfer this into a greased 8-inch square pan and press that out. Make sure you grease your pan so that it's easy to come out. Press down with a spatula to smoothen the top and then top it with some chopped cashews. Now, because we're using cashews on the top, you'd want to make this recipe the day before Diwali so that the crunch from the cashew nuts is still there. If you make it too soon, the nuts will get really cold and not have that crunch. Once it sets, we're going to go ahead and cut this, and it sets up pretty quickly. And it sets up perfectly, as you can see as I'm cutting here. Nice clean cuts. If you guys wanted to use a sugar syrup for this, just follow my regular barfi recipes and make a sugar syrup, or you can add some icing sugar to the mixture. I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe. Try it, let me know what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.